In this video, I want to give you a really good strategy for how to rank your apps and also correct a small error I made in one of the other videos.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy,
where I said, if you give a custom offer, well, custom offers don't help because they don't help your gig. But that's actually wrong, because if you go to more and you go to promote yourself, and then you can create a custom offer. You see, there's a button right here, generate custom offer. From here, you can select the gig that you want to promote. You can select the price, whatever the price is, doesn't matter. But the main point is that people will be buying any gig you want to promote. So if you're specifically promoting some gig, you can create a custom offer for people on that gig so that when they buy it and when they review it, that's +1 review on this gig, that's plus extra revenue on this gig, meaning these are the metrics that are going to help you rank this gig higher. So this is the key, because you can get an unlimited number of sales this way, because remember, when you click more, you can find buyer requests. And these are all kinds of things that people are looking for right now. And if the gig that you're trying to promote fits the requests, you can create a custom order on the gig that you want to promote and send these people your custom order, meaning you can constantly keep getting sales if you spend a lot of time on it. Obviously, this is time consuming, but that's the idea, is that you can get extra additional orders on your gig by creating custom orders for these people. And with enough of that, you'll rank higher in the rankings. And also another strategy for this is, if you want your friends to buy your gig and rate it, you can make a custom offer for them for like $5, even if your gig might be for $50 or $100 or more. You don't want your friends to buy it for that expensive, because you want to make it easy for them. So if friends or clients who you know they're going to buy it, maybe they're going to give you a nice review, for them, you can create a custom offer. Then you go promote yourself and create a custom offer. And for them, you make it like $5, right? So for them, you make it really cheap to buy so that you get an extra sale and you get an extra review from them. So those are the strategies to actually use custom offers to help you rank your gigs that you choose. Whatever gigs you want, you'll be able to rank those gigs higher with this strategy. And the great thing about this is that this strategy is available to do starting on day one.